Indriani, and we are here with the latest news on the presidential election currently underway. Last night marked a crucial stage in the presidential election as the registration of presidential candidates began. How enthusiastic is the public during this initial phase? Yes, Damar is on the field and will provide a live report.
Thank you, Fatma Indriani. I am in front of the General Election Commission office, which is the center for presidential candidate registration. The enthusiasm of the public is palpable here. Long queues of citizens from various backgrounds are lining up to support the candidates running for office. I spoke to one of citizens, Keisha Dinamikian, who come here to offer her support. Keisha, tell us what makes you so enthusiastic to be here.
Thank you, Mr. Diaz. So I came here because I believe that 2024 presidential election is a very important moment in our history, nation history, and choosing a country's leaders is our right as citizens. And I want to ensure that my voice is heard and considered. And I believe for choosing a country's leaders who will bring a positive change to this country.
Thank you, Keisha. Keisha believes that the 2024 presidential election is a very crucial moment in our nation's history. Choosing the leader of our country is alright as citizen, and I want to ensure that my voice is heard and considered. Terima kasih Keisha atas pendapatnya. Selanjutnya akan kita hadirkan narasumber dari tim sukses Partai PDIP, Bapak Hari Susanto. Apa pendapat Anda tentang peran generasi muda dalam pemilihan presiden ini? Dan bagaimana Anda melihat kontribusi mereka dalam membentuk arah masa depan negara ini?
Ya, generasi muda berperan penting dalam memilih presiden ini untuk menentukan arah masa depan negara. Mereka mempunyai potensi untuk membawa perubahan yang signifikan dan melalui partisipasi yang aktif dalam proses politik, seperti memiliki kandidat yang mewakili nilai-nilai, visi dan misi mereka, serta berkontribusi dalam kampanye politik, penjangkauan dan pemilu. Dengan teknologi dan wawasan yang mereka miliki, generasi muda dapat memperjuangkan isu-isu penting seperti lingkungan hidup, pendidikan, dan kesejahteraan yang akan membentuk arah masa depan negara. Partisipasi mereka dalam politik juga dapat mendorong perubahan. Itu ada kebijakan politik yang lebih inklusif.
Thank you, Mr. Hari Susanto. He said the younger generation play a pivotal role in presidential election in shaping the nation's future. Their active political participation, voting for elite candidates, and advocacy for crucial issues like the environment and quality can drive significant change and promote more inclusive policy. That's all the information I got from the KPU office, so I went back to the studio.
Thank you, Diaz, thank you, Keisha, and thank you, Hari, for your report. The public's enthusiasm during the early registration phase of presidential candidates is highly motivating. This process marks the beginning of the road to the 2024 presidential election, which will determine the direction of our country's future. We will continue to provide in-depth coverage of the president election. Back to you in the studio, I'm Fatma Indriani, and we will conclude the broadcast.